Hey, welcome to Competitors app. I'm really glad that you're trying our product. This is a video that tends to be really valuable. I'll keep it short. The point is to show you how to utilize the tool and all the functionalities that it has. Before you start, I advise you to go to manage your domain in its competitors. As it's a fresh account, we've auto discovered most of the things that you want. But I will go in here and quickly verify that we have all the data of your competitor. So you can see where there's X's, when there's pluses, which means that we've discovered something, ticks. And here you can go and see, for example, what channels we're monitoring for, what social channels we have, what we're monitoring for them. On social, we're monitoring these mentions. On the website, we're monitoring these URLs. We're monitoring these reviews, the email. If it says it's not configured, then if it's not green, you need to configure it, and that's it. Advanced, I think, doesn't matter for now, but you can ask in the chat support if you need help figuring out what it does. Now, the tool has four main screens. The first is a dashboard. Here, you can actually compare yourself to the competitors. You can see something like how many posts they had, how much engagement they had, their average organic rankings, their average organic traffic. You can see their most popular posts. And we do have also graphs that show you the growth over time. You can see the same for SEO. You could see the same for like number of posts that they're posting and everything. I don't need to go into detail. You can discover it yourself. The point is to help you understand what you can get. And you can also get AI insights. So if you want, for example, to know like the reviews and see what people are analyzed, we've analyzed 150 reviews, and this is what people like and don't like about Nike, basically. Then we have the activity timeline. The activity timeline allows you to see what exactly your competitors are doing. So this is more of a timeline that's timeline based. It shows you everything that they're doing in the market. From here, you can see everything that they're doing. You can select all to get all the channels. So here, basically, you have posts, ads, everything that they're doing on the website, mention, reviews, emails, keywords, and backlinks. Now, let me go just quickly in depth. You can exclusively select filters, and you can say, I want to know exclusively what they're posting on Facebook, so you exclusively select Facebook, and so on. So basically, then all you have to do is select the channels that you actually want. And yeah, for example, here you can see that we've discovered a few things for your competitors. You can see that, for example, and each activity has also some additional filters. So, for example, here you can see minimum engagement. I only want to know posts that have more than 100 likes, or I want to only know ads that are actually live. And you can just select these, and you will get only live ads. And now, basically, I will show you the search functionality. So the best way to use the search functionality, I think, is like overall you can do it anywhere, but I think it gets really powerful when it comes to new pages. So, for example, you're trying to find all the new products that your competitor has done for football, let's say. So you type here football, and it automatically shows you all the pages that are related to your search. Similarly, you might want to know something else. Let's see. You could want to know the news that Adidas has. So you just type news.adidas.com and you get all their news. So you can easily navigate, understand, and see the exact things that your competitors are doing. Similarly, then we have the website changes. The website changes is equally important. You can see changes that they're making to the website. So before, you can see that Puma was advertising like a basketball shoe, and now they have a summer running shoe type of casual shoe that they are advertising. So you can see that changes that they're making, and if they're making a change, you can be up to date. By the way, if you think a change is really important, you can save it, or you can email it to the rest of your team. If you want to see the changes that you've saved, you can go here. And if you want to save something repetitively, you can just save it here and you can say, okay, I want to know all my competitor events. So you will use this to do competitor events. So here I have a filter, a saved filter for competitor events. It gets me automatically the event, and here you can see Adidas, they have a new event, restock, Yeezy Day restock event. So you can get all those really easily. And yeah, that's it. I will let you go more in depth. For reviews, you can, for example, do negative, positive. For mentions, we have minimum engagement in mentions, and you can see mentions across the Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and the web, which is PR news and all that, emails, keywords, and backlinks. So everything is here. And I will show you two more screens. The one is the keyword screen. This shows you and gives you an overview of your competitors and how you rank against them. So it shows you your brand and how your brand ranks against competition. And similarly, from here, you can see suggested keywords. You can see the keywords that actually your competitors are ranking for, what they're trying to optimize for. You can see the cost per click it has for PPC planning, and you can see the global search. You can see the like country search volume or the location search volume you've added, the competition, and so on. If you want to manage the keywords that you're monitoring, you can go always here and manage the keywords. And then if you go to suggested, you can actually see the suggested keywords of each competitor. Yeah. So as I said, and then you can go to backlinks. On the backlinks, you can see the actual backlinks that your competitors are getting. So if you're an SEO expert, you totally know how to use this. Go here, steal their backlinks, see their traffic. If you're not an SEO expert, this is where your competitors, then the websites that your competitors are getting traffic and domain authority from. So if you want to go here, you can easily go here, navigate and see all the pages that they're getting from. Lots of authority. You can see exactly where they're linking. So the moment you go here, you can actually see where they're linking, and basically then you can get that value. Let me know, and you can ask things in the chat support to me and to our team about how to best use the tool. But yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot.